Palm wine, as ancient as the land itself, is a significant part of many traditions, rituals, and daily lives of many cultures. Some palm trees have a lifespan of over 100 years. Today, Believe in Monday takes us through their daily routine as palm wine tappers to see how they manage to keep it going. When a mature palm tree is identified, Believe begins by clearing the foot base to make it easy for climbing. His safety largely depends on how well he'll carry out this process. He also clears the thorns from the frond to create safe holding areas. Monday carefully cuts away some of the fronds, leaving some flipped open to create a standing base. The dead flowers and fronds are carefully cut out one after the other. The circle is simple and repetitive. Clear the thorns for safe holding areas, cut down some of the fronds, and flip open other fronds to create standing base. The outer fronds are the mature ones. Monday repeats the process until he begins to see the younger fronds still covered by the crown shaft. Cutting and flipping the fronds was the easy part. The next process requires skill in ensuring the palm tree stays alive and continues to produce sap. He carefully slices open the crown shaft before cutting out the frond. The process will continue until the spadix is revealed. The elongated stalk that runs along the entire length of the palm frond is called the rachis. It connects the leaflets to the main stem of the tree and is incredibly strong. As Monday begins to cut the flowers off the tip of the spadix, he slices off some of the rachis and prepares them to be later used in tying the body of the spadix. It is necessary to tie the spadix to prevent the younger fronds from flipping open as they attempt to grow. This technique ensures the spadix remains firm until the sap is completely extracted. The tip of the spadix is carefully carved in, creating room for the sap to concentrate and flow to one direction. The tip of the spadix is sliced, creating a V-shaped path for the sap to pass through into the carefully placed pipe leading into the container. Monday prepares a space to place the container. It is properly covered to keep away external particles and ensure purity.
So you could cut the palm tree every morning, afternoon, evening, till the end of the palm tree. If you didn't cut it, the palm no go come out. Even though you come out, the palm no go do good self.
Like a newborn baby, Monday will continue to nurture his new palm tree every day, morning, afternoon, and evening, cleaning the area, slicing the tip, and deepening the V-shaped path to allow for more and fresher sap. Timely tapping of the sap is as important as staying alive.
Even if I fall for on top of the palm tree now, they will find another person, or my colleagues, they will come and climb the same palm tree and cut it that day. If not, they're not going to get anything tomorrow inside.
Some palm spadix produce more sap than others. If not timely checked, the container may overflow and fall off, wasting the entire precious sap. When the sap is first extracted, it is sweet and non-alcoholic. but this stage lasts for just a few hours. Fermentation may take around 6 to 12 hours, depending on the environmental yeast factors, with alcoholic volume of 4 to 6%. The yeast present in the environment feeds on the sugars in the sap, converting them into alcohol. The alcoholic volume may rise from 7 to 10% over the next 1 to 3 days. Believe has been into this business for 8 years. He does not have his own palm tree. He rents an adult palm tree for $4. He rents as many as he can afford, nurturing them all every day. He extracts an average of 100 liters daily. He counts it as a blessing, but there are certain risks and challenges.
Time when you cut the palm tree, you keep that time. You see, even though you know well, you must look for a place where you go cut them in that time. Like on Sunday like this, if you went to church, if that time reach, if they're not closed for church, you must leave that church and come back and cut the palm tree. In meeting, any organization, they put meeting either morning or afternoon or evening, and that's a time that you're supposed to cut your palm tree. You see, sometimes you're going to miss some meeting because of palm tree.
Believe supplies PalmWine to retailers within his community. At $4 per 25 liters, the retailers sell to consumers for 35 cents per liter. When this product gets to the cities, it is sold for approximately $1 per liter. While PalmWine is rich in minerals, boosts digestion, immune system, and other health benefits, it is an alcoholic beverage that comes with the risk of taking alcohol. It should be consumed in moderation.
If you are interested in these kinds of stories, kindly subscribe and tap the notification button to get notified on all our stories. Follow at Africa Stitches on all social media platforms.